Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanicia, and if you're new here, hi, welcome darling. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Now today's makeup tutorial is going to be a bit different. It is actually a challenge given to me by my Instagram bestie Samantha. So we did a mini challenge between us, so it's just me and her. I gave her her gold makeup look to do, which she totally nailed. It was so beautiful, it was so gorgeous. I'm like, oh my gosh. And she gave me a blue makeup tutorial that I am currently doing. I just decided to turn it into a video to share with you guys how I went about doing this, just in case you were on my Instagram and wondering. Also, for my beginner makeup babies, I have not forgotten you guys. I mean, my channel is all about you guys. So this is how I created this look. It is also step by step, so you can follow along if you want to, or if you want to create your own version of this, then go ahead and do so. Now, you guys know the first thing I do is my eyebrows. I feel like I can't do anything without my eyebrows. I don't know where I'm going to go with anything if my eyebrows are not done. It is weird, but it is my ritual that I stick by. So I'm taking this beautiful palette by Juvia Place. Their palettes are so amazing, beautiful, and pigmented. I really love them. I'm putting that color into the crease, well, a little bit below the crease. I'm packing that on there. So I'm packing that color onto the lid a bit and bringing it up to the crease slowly so I can get a really nice transition color. Now I'm going into this color board palette. Like, oh my god, it is so pretty, and I love it. So I'm taking this a dark blue right here and putting that into the crease right on the edge of the purple and just a little bit into it, so it is actually being blended into the crease but on the edge to give a really nice beautiful transition on the outer edge. After packing that color onto the crease, I use a fluffy brush to go into that crease and blend it all out and blend everything together and go a little bit into the crease with it, but blending everything smoothly. Now I'm taking a lighter blue and I'm going on top of that blue right at the edge, and then I'll be blending that out to the crease. Now, if you are enjoying the video so far and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. You know, I do appreciate the support, so give me a big thumbs up, hit that like button. Don't forget to turn on your notification, guys, so that you don't miss anything. You'll be the first to see, like, comments. I mean, I love to hear from you guys, so please like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram if you're not already following. Thank you. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease. So after cutting the crease, I decided to check and see how I was doing with the challenge she gave me, and my jaws dropped to see that I went way overboard with what she wanted. I just went so far with it, so I was like, oh my god, like what? I got carried away. I really did. Anyways, I decided to continue because I mean, there's nowhere else to go but up right now. I already did the deed, so I just gotta move on and accept that I did what I did. I'm at peace now. I went into a greenish color in that color board palette, but I also used the greenish color, the same looking color from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, because it was beautiful and it fit in perfectly. Now I'm going to be using the darker blue in the same pattern that I used going up from the crease. So I'm using the darker blue and then I'm blending the other light blue one into it. I'm going into the darker blue on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna follow with the really light bluish green color I have in the inner corner of my eye on the lid, and I'm putting that below the darker blue, and I'm going to blend those together to get a nice transition color. I am now going in with eyeliner. This is the Wet and Wild eyeliner. I already did a detailed tutorial about how I do my wing liner, so if you guys want, you can check that out if you want to see how I do my wing liner. I'm going in with some mascara to coat my lashes. Now I'm going in with Baby Skin Primer. I really like this primer. It's so velvety soft. I love it. Going in with some foundation, I mixed the Huda Beauty foundation with the L'Oreal True Match, and I love the way these two blend. They are beautiful. They are perfect. I don't know. I love them. I'm going in with some powder, and that one is from L'Oreal. Now I'm going in with some lip liner. This is Natural by Italia. I will say that this lip liner is bomb. I love them. They are so creamy. They glide on so easy. I still love them. Going in with my lip gloss. This one is Baby Cakes, and then I'm gonna put Wink on top of that. Both of these colors are from LA Colors. Oh, they smell so good. Going into my Warrior 2 palette, taking the peachy color and also the lightish brown color and doing my contour. Going in with some highlighter on my cheek, my nose. I love this highlighter. I love highlighter on a whole. Add in some lashes and boom, we're done. I hope you guys like this one. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment below if you're coming over here from Instagram. Drop some blue hearts in the comments and I'll know that you guys are coming from Instagram. Guys, I want to say thanks so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. I do appreciate the support. Thank you guys. Bye now.